Mitosis is a very important process because this is how your cells reproduce. If mitosis didn't exist, then your cells would not be able to reproduce and you wouldn't be alive. Mitosis helps organisms grow because it makes more cells than you need to grow. The reason we have more than one cell is because of a process known as mitosis.
Split and move away from each other. After this happens, the nuclear membrane is destroyed so the chromosomes can be accessed. The centrosomes then attach to the chromosomes. The centrosomes then align the chromosomes in the middle by moving in opposite directions of each other. Then in anaphase, the chromosomes separate abruptly and move to the opposite sides of the cell. Then spindle fibers will disperse as a new nuclear membrane is formed around the two sets of chromosomes. Finally, to keep in the cytoplasm, the cell pinches itself in the middle and severs itself into two cells. Mitosis is then complete.
The chromosomes in half so your offspring doesn't look exactly like you. If meiosis did not exist, then all 46 of your chromosomes would be yours and there would be no genetic variety between you and your offspring. The reason we have different traits from our mother and our father is caused by the process of meiosis.
Each partner contributes to giving 23 chromosomes to the offspring. Each chromosome from each parent that match up to make a pair are called homologous chromosomes. Organisms produce gametes, or sex cells, to maintain their base chromosome number. A cell that only has a single number of chromosomes is called a haploid cell. The other way, a cell that has multiple numbers of chromosomes are called diploid cells. When haploid cells combine with other haploids in meiosis, fertilization occurs. Fertilization is what creates diploid sex cells. The process of meiosis is very similar to the process of mitosis, but meiosis only has two major steps, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is all about the division of chromosomes in the cell. In mitosis, the chromosome count is maintained during division, but during meiosis, the chromosome number splits in half. During prophase 1, homologous chromosomes condense in a process called synapsis. During synapsis, chromosomal parts are crossed over between each copy of chromosomes, or each haploid from each parent. As the process continues, spindle fibers from across the poles and bind to sister chromatids. During anaphase 1, chromosomes separate between poles, pull together the opposite direction. During telophase 1, the chromosomes reach opposite sides, the nuclear membrane reappears, or cytokinesis occurs.
In meiosis 2, all the steps are almost repeated. During prophase 2, the chromosomes condense and the spindle apparatus forms. During metaphase 2, the chromosomes are positioned randomly along the equator.
As the process continues, anaphase 2 is the process in which the sister chromatids are formed. Finally, during telophase 2, the nuclear membrane and nuclei are formed. Cytokinesis also occurs once more at